In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default sort in table and matrix visuals Power BI. If your tables or matrices aren't sorting the way you expect, setting a default sort will make your data read exactly the way you want every time the report opens. First, click to select the table or matrix visual you want to control. You'll know it's selected when the visual shows a border and the fields well on the right highlights the fields used in that visual. This step matters because the options we need only appear when a visual is active. With the visual selected, go to the data pane and click the specific column you want to sort. Be sure you're clicking the field name in the pane, not the header on the canvas. Selecting the field itself tells Power BI which column you're setting rules for, and it activates the tools we need. When the column is selected, the Column Tools tab will appear on the ribbon at the top. If you don't see it, click the field again to make sure it's highlighted. Column tools are context-aware, so they only show up when a field is selected. On the Column Tools tab, choose Sort by Column. A drop-down will appear listing other columns from the same table. Pick the column that should drive the order. For example, you might choose a numeric sort order field to control category order, or select a full date to correctly order a month name column. Power BI uses the column you select here as the underlying key for the visible column's order. After you make your choice, that selection becomes the default sort for the column, and the visual will immediately realign. Other columns in the table or matrix adjust automatically to follow that default order, so the entire visual stays consistent. This is a default, which means viewers can still click headers to temporarily change the sort, but your chosen order is what the visual will return to by default. That's all you need. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. The sort by column must live in the same table as the column you're sorting, and the data types should be compatible so Power BI can apply the order correctly. If the option is disabled, reselect the field in the data pane and confirm the visual is active. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to set a clean, reliable default sort for your table and matrix visuals.